Hi, this is Valerie. I want to give you a rank update. We are only 5 days into your website being live, but I want to show you what we have today. And this is going to change a whole lot as Google starts indexing your pages on your new website. But it looks really good right now, so I thought I would take that opportunity to share this with you. The first thing I want you to see is that we started tracking your website, which is your old site, on May 1st. And I think I added some keyword phrases here around May 12th. This is the day after your site went live, or maybe 2 days after. This is what it looked like. So this is good. This is how much your stuff has increased. So visibility has increased from a 1% visibility across the state of New Jersey to a 17% visibility across the state of New Jersey in just a few short days. Your estimated traffic has gone up about 4%, and your average position has gone up 56 spots, which is awesome. There's good news and bad news. You've had 176, we're tracking 582 keyword phrases. 176 have improved in ranking, which is great, and that's what we want. 187 have declined. So like I said, this is going to be all over the place for a while, but the ones that have improved are really good ones. I also want to show you this. This system is SEMrush, and I know you've seen something similar to this in other reports that you receive from other vendors. But it tries to track who your competition is and is really picking out some big players here. I probably wouldn't pick these big giant players. These are venture-backed people. So, but what it's saying is pretty good. So across the state of New Jersey, overall, for 582 keywords, you are number 3 in terms of visibility, behind caring.com and comfortkeepers.com. So here's Caring, here's Comfort Keepers, there's care.com, they're a little smaller, and then there's you. And then these folks are way back here. So this is all good news. Now I want to show you something else, which is the actual overview. So this is another view of what it looks like as we went from May 1st to May 22nd. Very nice. This shows you the position you were in on May 1st for these keyword phrases. And this is a search that is run as if I were sitting in the state of New Jersey. And this is the position today, this is ahead of us, I think, hour-wise, because it's really May 24th. But this was just run a couple of hours ago. So for Home Care New Brunswick, live in Home Care New Jersey, which I know is one of your favorites, you're still number 1. For all of these, mostly New Brunswick, you're still number 1. This little pin drop means you're on the map, which is awesome. So if we keep going down here, you can see you're number 1 for all of these keyword phrases. Tons and tons and tons of different ones, different versions, long tail keywords, different towns, Hillsborough, Lakewood, Livingston. They're all very long tail keywords, though. So something like Senior Care New Brunswick, you are number 2 on the maps on the first page of Google. Home Care Help Stockton, number 2. So now we see that you're number 2, number 3. For live-in care, this is really interesting. For live-in care, without the word New Jersey, just a search in the state of New Jersey for live-in care, we didn't have a rank for you before, and now you're number 3 on the map for live-in care. That's new. So anytime you see the word new, that means you weren't there before, and here you are now. Okay? So great job on all this. Now, there are a lot of keyword phrases we're tracking. I won't go through all of them, but I also want to show you all the new ones. So I'm going to click on this, and this is going to sort and tell us what's new. So like I said a minute ago, live-in care is new. Very important to you, I know. Whole state of New Jersey. And you're number 3. Senior Care at Home Stockton, that is also number 3. And then if you go down the list here, a lot of these that you're new for are on the second page. They're not on the first page of Google. But as we go down here, you can see some of these have come up. They were there before, but they've come up 63 spots in 5 days. Elderly Care Bridgewater, This one right here, Elderly Care Red Bank. So you're making a whole lot of progress. You're either brand new or you're coming up tons of spots across the universe for all of these keyword phrases that are important to you that you never ranked for before, or Elderly Care New Jersey, come up a couple spots. And these go on and on too. So 5 days out, excellent results. And I just wanted to show that to you so you guys know everything's going okay. Thanks. Bye.